Hello, Dr. Stan Reilly here. I wanted to take just a few minutes of your time to go over my thinking with regard to the rest of our time together here in our class and the writing assignments that you have due each week. Okay, a couple of things I just wanted to clarify. Um, I am, of course, interested in the quality of your writing. And I want you to focus on that and make sure that you are properly citing and referencing and doing everything APA accurate according to the new 7th edition version. But remember that the weekly assignments are a compounding assignment, meaning once you've decided what hat you're going to wear, project manager, human resource manager, operations manager, healthcare administrator, whatever your main title theme was, and the company that you're working with, the assignment itself should have a connection uh, to that particular company and the hat that you're wearing, and the fact that each assignment will ask you to do different things. And then what I'd like to see at the very end is that you sort of kind of like build one assignment on top of the next, on top of the next, sort of like a portfolio with various disciplines or various facets, I guess, uh, within the same assignment. Okay, so each assignment each week is going to ask you to do different things, but just do it under the umbrella of it being the same company and you being in the same role. All right. Now, this is a business class, and while I really enjoy reading your writing, and most of you are writing very, very well, all of you are writing well. Uh, I want to emphasize the fact that unless you're going to be publishing something, and that is always an option for you, for these assignments, I'm looking for not so much war and peace and lots of verbiage. I want you to bullet point as much as you can and use as many visuals like tables, charts, graphs. And of course, when you have a table, chart, or a graph, you would explain them. You would also break things down into subheaders or sections into subheaders, like you would an outline. You would have, primary, then you would have secondary um, items that align with that particular subheader. Then you would have another change of subject, sort of subheader, and then sub-subheaders, for lack of a better word. But this is the format I'm looking for, meaning I'm not looking for you to write on and on and on and on, okay? So don't feel like you have to write a book. Write enough to explain what I'm looking at, but remember, in a business document, you don't want to have too much verbiage. Think about when you go to work, and if you got a memo from your boss and it was 20 pages, you'll read it, of course, but how much of that will you really digest? The, when you do use more bullet points and visuals, the professional worker is going to appreciate that for one thing, and also they're going to absorb it better. So keep that in mind as well. Always cite sources used. Always put quote marks around direct quotes, and watch that similarity ratio. You don't want that creeping up. All right, because I will send things back to you if, for reworking, if the similarity ratio gets out of sync, out of whack, okay? Just so you can practice correcting and editing yourself, all right? Listen, that's all I wanted to share. Went on longer than I intended, of course, but hopefully this will help clarify some things as we move forward in our class. You're all doing a great job. It's wonderful working with each of you, and take care and stay well. All right, bye-bye for now.